Hello and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Just received a parcel through the post.
what you've been buying now.
This is required, so you can't ever go at me. Insurance is due, so I'm just changing insurance companies, and there is a requirement which I never had with the old insurance.
So who have you gone with?
I'm not saying who I've gone with, but the requirement is
And what's that then?
it's a wheel lock.
Oh, I've not seen one like that before.
It's a heavy duty wheel lock. The company I've gone with the insurance company has stated that they want me to have a wheel lock and a hitch lock. My old insurance company only required a hitch lock, so that's all we ever had. But I think it's a good idea to have a wheel lock anyway. So that's the wheel lock, and that will be going onto the caravan and making it safer.
Oh, very good.
Very happy with that. Quite heavy, so it's a big solid thing.
Yeah.
Comes with 2 keys, and it's supposed to be easy to fit. I don't know if you can see the picture, but that's how it goes onto the wheel.
Oh, right. Oh, so it's a lot better than those great big things then?
Well, I think so.
It's less to carry around with you, I mean.
Yeah. It is weighty, so
I just think there's a locker space. We haven't got a very big locker, have we, and stuff like that.
well, it wouldn't be in the locker. I was just thinking we'd probably keep it in the car, but we wouldn't because it would be on the wheel. If we
Yeah, but when we're travelling to places.
Oh, when we're travelling, not going to boot of the car.
Yeah.
It is pretty heavy. But yeah, once we're on site, we'll put it on, and once we're in the storage, we'll put it on, and that will keep the insurance man happy.
Yeah.
So you could.
So that was a good buy then.
That was a good buy, and you can't ever go at me for it.
Okay.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell, and you can even leave us a comment. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.